guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unpack and do a little bit of cleaning. This house is completely destroyed. We did move. Long story short, we were renting a house and they decided to go ahead and sell, and we just are not ready to buy yet. So they sold it. We had to move, and a friend of my husband's, his family is renting out a house that's about 30 minutes outside of the town we were living in. So we are renting that out from them for now, and we moved into something that is a lot smaller. So we're sharing a bedroom with Camden now, and we have boxes galore everywhere. So we are going to unpack and do some cleaning because this place is driving me crazy. I hate being here half the time because it is just so cluttered and so messy, and I cannot seem to get it clean. We were still moving in, so every time I'd clean it, it would get completely destroyed again from all the stuff we were bringing over. So we are officially done moving in, so it is time to officially start unpacking. So let's go ahead and get started.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Okay, you guys, so I'm just starting out with this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent mint. It smells so good. It's one of their limited edition scents right now. I get all of my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, and pretty much all of my cleaning products from the Grove Collaborative. So I'll leave that link down in the description box below, and you guys can go and check it out.
Do it right now. You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna
a toll. But I don't mind even though I lose control.
So I had started recording in the living room the day before, but my camera kept dying. So after I got it charged and ready to go, then I started back up in the living room the next day.
No, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just
this mop that I'm using, it's like a Swiffer. I got it from Target and it's by Casabella, I believe is how you say the name of it. And it comes with that Method wood floor cleaner, and then it's also got like a hard floor cleaner spray that you can buy separately. And I absolutely hate this mop. It leaks. You cannot just sit it up against the wall and leave it by itself because it will leak out of the spout. The spout where it comes out at, where you squirt it out at, it sucks, and I do not recommend for anybody to get it. So if you guys know of a different one that works and that you like, please leave it down in the comments below for me to check it out, because I am looking for a new one. Guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't like a whole lot of unpacking. A lot of it was mainly just moving boxes to where they need to go to be unpacked, which was mainly to Harper's room because the majority of those boxes were Harper's toys. So she will get to unpack those whenever she gets home here in a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!